You can, of course, do calculator approximations in radians just like you did degrees. Make sure, of course, your mode is set to radians. We've been using degrees, so yours is probably currently in degrees. You'll be switching back and forth between them a lot, so make sure you're comfortable with this mode button. Select this first one, the tangent of 6.4247. And remember, if there's nothing here, you assume radians. So this is about 0.1424. Now this one, this would be inverse sine of 0.9918. And then this is the answer in radians. Now a couple things here as you're doing this. First of all, on some of the exact ones, so like for instance, if I wanted to know what the sine of the square root of 3 over 2 is, this is going to give me this, but this necessarily, I might not recognize that. Divide by pi, because you know there's a pi in there, and then use the fraction button. So this is pi over 3. So there is a way to get to those exact values of the radian measures if you have the exact value to do. Of course, if it's already rounded, it's not going to work because it won't be able to get to this exact value. So you need the exact one. So like by putting in the actual square root of 3 over 2, not any decimal approximation, I was able to do this. And this will work from here. If I put in sine pi over 3, this gives me this, which of course is the square root of 3 over 2. So as you're doing this couple things, obviously make sure you're in the right mode. And you can go back and forth. You even can get to the exact radian measures as long as you start from the exact answer. You just need to divide by this pi to be able to figure out what the fraction is. But you know they all have that pi in them. So then you can just take that out and then figure out what the fraction part is and then put them back together.